Before doing back massage, first use finger knuckles to pluck and knead the head. Allow him/her to completely relax. And then, take an appropriate amount of massage oil. Rub it warm in your hands. Evenly apply it to the back. Retract upon reaching the waist. Lift and pull the Fengqi acupoint. Fengfu acupoint. We can use a single hand to pinch and knead the neck. Do it alternately with both hands like this. Then use both thumbs. Repeatedly pluck and knead the back of the neck. Alternately push and knead in a horizontal Z shape. Use the thumb pads of both hands to divide and separate the trapezius muscles on both sides. Note to use your body to apply force. Then do the point kneading technique. If at this position, while pushing, discover a granular feeling. We can use a clenched fist pushing technique to strengthen. You can also push with a single fist. After finishing one side, do the other side. Next is to push the scapular bone seam on both our sides. People who are often irritable must push this position. Can strengthen the push with a single hand. Then do a reverse pushing technique. Next is to push the 3 lines on our back. 1 is the governing vessel in the middle. 2 is the bladder meridian on both sides. First, straight push the governing vessel with finger pads. From top to bottom. Be careful not to apply too much pressure to the spine. Your body should apply force and sink down. Then push the bladder meridian on our both sides. Your body sinks down. Use finger pads to push. Keep your arms as straight as possible. If you want to make it compliant and comfortable, we must stick close and press firmly. Push one side to strengthen. Retract upon reaching the waist. After finishing one side, do the other side. You can also use the single fist pushing technique. From top to bottom. Push our entire back with a clenched fist. This step can be done in 3 sections. First section. Second section. Third section, rub until warm and retract upon reaching the waist. Finally, soothe and relax the entire back. Have you learned it?